Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Friday. Fridays are always the best. I don't know. I just think they are. I think you guys do too. But today we're talking about nail polish, gel nail polish. I've been doing a little test to see which gel nail polishes last the longest because every time I go get a manicure, regardless if I get gel or regular, because I clean so often and my hands are constantly in water and bleach and etc., that my nail polish just goes away within a matter of a couple of days or it starts peeling. And I'm just like, okay, what can I use after I get my manicure and they clean all my stuff up? What can I repolish my nails with that will stay longer? So, did a little experiment, and this is the result. The funny thing is, I planned on doing this 14 days. However, it's been 6, and some have already started peeling, cracking, and some of my nails are just growing out, which is kind of great. So, let's get into it. Let's start with Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is a one-step wonder gel. Now, this one is Wet n Wild. It didn't do that bad actually. My nail bed is growing out a bit. It came off a bit on the top, but the nail is still going strong to me. Based on the website, it is the first gel formula that doesn't require a top coat and cures without a lamp. This nail color breakthrough is about to become your nail MVP. Provides up to 2 weeks of color and shine in one easy step. I thought this did great, especially because it was only one step. Unlike some of the other ones I'm going to show you are 2 steps. And yeah, so this retails for $4.99, which is one of the cheaper end ones, and it didn't do too bad, if I would say so myself. Let's do a little bit more expensive one, Essie. Essie had a 2-step, so I had to put this on and then I put the top coat on. They're pretty bottles though, I will say that. And it is from their Couture line. Gel Couture, doesn't that sound so fancy? It says, this luxurious gel-like shine and finish in an easy 2-step system. The Essie Gel Couture collection is inspired by haute couture fashion. Ooh. And now available more than 100 nail polish shades. Apply 2 coats of Gel Couture color. Apply 1 coat of the platinum grade finish top coat for gel-like shine. I did that, and by the way, this retails for $11.50 just for one. And then the other one is $11.50. And the Essie was kind of like, to me, looks like I'm giving you the finger. I'm not. Was kind of like the Wet n Wild. It stayed on really good. I like it. I actually really like the Essie. The Essie did a phenomenal job. A little came off on here. My nail bed is growing out, but I still feel like I'm flipping you the bird, the double bird. And the color is really pretty. Let's go to Revlon Colorstay, which is a 2-step system as well. And their website says, new Colorstay Gel Envy Diamond, oh, that's the top coat, is the only top coat with Diamond Flex technology and is our toughest top coat yet. Flawless salon quality color with life resistant wear. Life resistant wear. So this one doesn't actually say it will last you up to 2 weeks or anything of that nature, which I know this is a trend that it's either, oh no, it's long wearing, so that the claims won't be, oh, this lasts exactly for 2 weeks. It's up to 14 days. So this actually did well. This did good too. So the red, this is so funny. The red did the same thing to me. The Revlon, the Wet n Wild, and the Essie did about the same. My nails started to grow out, the tips started to wear down a little bit, and maybe I need to add more on those, and it would not have worn down. But let's do another upper level one, which is Deborah Lippmann. This is the highest one, which retails for $20. And it is their Gel Lab Pro Color. And they say, combining the technology of Gel Lab Pro with nail color, this dual patented formula with 10 active ingredients helps deliver health, wear, and shine. Now, for best results, use Gel Lab Pro base and top coat. I only use this because they said you can use it by itself. Now, if you do decide to get the base and top coat, those are $45 together. So you're talking about a $65 altogether experience with Deborah Lippmann. And unfortunately, I just used the one. So this actually performed the worst. This started peeling and chipping, and I'm going to assume it's because I did not use their base or their top coat. However, Wet n Wild is a one step, and as you can see, Deborah Lippmann's Wet n Wild was $5, Deborah Lippmann was $20. And in order for it to maybe look like the Wet n Wild or the Wet n Wild, I would have to spend $65, which is expensive, but not as expensive as continually going to get your nails done to replace gel. So yeah, that saddened me. The only reason I knew it started cracking is because while I was doing my hair, I was putting my fingers through my hair in the shower, and my fingers were getting stuck in between the peeling of the Deborah Lippmann. Now we have one last one, and that is Sally Hansen. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel used with Miracle Gel top coat. Okay, these are retail between $8 to $10. Let's see what it claims. It says, our ultimate chip-resistant nail polish Miracle Gel is patent technology for longer wear. No UV lamp required. If you guys didn't notice, no, I did not want to do a UV lamp. I just want to be able to take it off with regular nail polish remover, which all of these you can do. The longer lasting manicure, #1 selling gel polish in the US. Make sure your nails are clean and dry. Apply 2 coats of Miracle Gel color. Apply 1 coat of Miracle Gel top coat. Easily removes with regular nail polish remover. Allow color to dry for 5 minutes. Okay, it does not say that it should last 2 weeks or, what have you. This really didn't do as well either. And it could be the color, but it started cracking within like 2 days. And yeah, and it went on really patchy. To get this color, I had to apply more than the 2 coats. The funny part is this is my second go round with all of these, because when I did what they said, which was apply 2 coats and you're all done, and then apply the 1 gel top coat, you're finished. By the next day, all of them were chipping. So what I did was how they do it in the salon. I said, okay, let me redo everything, and let me apply the 2 coats and then the gel top coat, let all that dry, and then let me apply 2 more coats and another gel top coat. And this is what made them last longer. So yeah, the Sally Hansen went on the most spottiest and I had to kind of work with it to get the color to be smooth, and that could just be because of the color I purchased. And of course, I am including user error in all of this because I am not a professional manicurist. I'm just a girl who wants my nails to last longer at home. So the ones that I would personally choose, I would stick with the Wet n Wild. I would repurchase the Colorstay, Revlon, and I would repurchase Essie. Now I will say I put Deborah Lippmann on my toes. It stayed. Nothing wrong with that. So, but the hands are really where you're cleaning, you're doing stuff, manual labor, whatever, that you really get to see how it reacts. So, yeah. But I enjoyed doing this little experiment. I have a couple more experiments coming up for you guys as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.